Las Vegas, the city that never sleeps, offers not only a dazzling nightlife and world-class entertainment, but also breathtaking landscapes that are perfect for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're an avid drone pilot or a traveler looking to capture the beauty of southern Nevada from above, flying your drone in and around Las Vegas requires a bit of preparation and knowledge about both recreational and commercial guidelines. If you're planning to bring your drone to Las Vegas, make sure it's packed securely to prevent damage during transportation. Check airline policies regarding drones, batteries, and other gear, as lithium batteries typically have restrictions for air travel. Flying a drone is an exciting way to explore new places and capture stunning visuals. However, as a drone operator, it's important to understand the local rules and regulations before taking off. Las Vegas combines urban areas and vast open spaces, creating opportunities for recreational and commercial drone pilots alike. For recreational pilots, the following locations are great spots where you can fly freely. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. While the protected area itself prohibits drone use, adjacent open spaces provide picturesque views of the desert landscape. I suggest if you're going to drive the Red Rock Loop, plan ahead and make reservations as the park does fill to capacity quite often. Calico Basin. This area is outside of the park loop and you can get some great footage from here without having to enter the Red Rock Loop. About 10 to 12 minutes east of the Las Vegas Strip is Cornerstone Park. This is a great park to fly and get some footage of the Strip in the distance and some over-the-water shots. About 20 minutes south of the Las Vegas Strip is Sloan Canyon. Known for its unique geological formation, otherwise known as the Seven Magic Mountains, this area is ideal for capturing panoramic desert views. Desert open spaces. Explore areas away from the urban setting for unrestricted flying in Nevada's vast deserts. One example of this would be Late Night Trailhead. It's about 20 minutes west of the Strip off of Blue Diamond Road on the way to Pahrump. Getting here will take some off-roading, but the views are incredible. Nelson, Nevada, Old Ghost Town. About 40 minutes southeast of the Strip, this is a unique place to fly. It's an old mining town, ghost town. Several Hollywood movies have been filmed here as well. It's recommended to check with the owners of the property by calling ahead to make sure there are no existing events like weddings, commercial photo shoots, etc. As of July 2025, it will cost you about $10 for the hour of flying. Make sure you ask to see the rattlesnakes in the freezer. Mount Charleston, Kyle Canyon. This is about 40 minutes northwest of the Strip and will provide you with some fantastic mountain views. You might even catch a glimpse of some wild horses or burros. The temperatures here are usually 15 to 20 degrees cooler than Las Vegas. Lone Mountain Park. This equestrian park in the northwest part of the valley is about 20 minutes from the Strip. This is a fun place to fly and get some footage of the mountains nearby and the Strip in the valley below. Lake Las Vegas. A hidden gem for drone pilots seeking stunning visuals and tranquil surroundings. Nestled amidst picturesque hills and an expansive man-made lake, this destination offers a unique blend of natural beauty and luxury resorts, not to mention several waterfalls. When flying in these areas, always ensure you're following FAA recreational guidelines. This includes keeping your drone below 400 feet AGL and maintaining visual line of sight. Certain locations around Las Vegas require LAANC approval because they fall within controlled airspace, often near airports or sensitive urban areas. Here are some examples: the Neon Museum, downtown Las Vegas, and Fremont Street. Controlled airspace around this busy downtown area and near Nellis Air Force Base requires FAA clearance for safety. The Vegas Strip. Although very tempting for aerial photography, this iconic area has restricted airspace due to dense population and security concerns. The ever-popular MSG Sphere. Controlled airspace around this busy area near the middle of the Strip. You can get LAANC approval up to 400 feet. Just remember, the sphere measures 366 feet high and 516 feet wide. You'll also need to keep very close eye on the manned aircraft that fly in this area, Maverick helicopters and such. This is a very busy and not for the faint of heart area. LAANC approval ensures the flights don't interfere with manned aircraft and other operations. The application process can take up to 72 hours, so plan ahead if you intend to fly controlled areas. Applications can be submitted via apps like Aloft Air Control or Flight Ready LAANC. And approval may come faster for those that are Part 107 certified with a good compliance record. If you're planning on flying for business purposes, such as real estate photography, inspections, or event coverage, you'll need an FAA Part 107 certification. This certification allows for more flexibility and access to controlled airspace, increasing your chances of obtaining LAANC approval. My choice is Pilot Institute for their classes. A Part 107 certification demonstrates your knowledge of FAA regulations, airspace classifications, and safe flight practices. Commercial drone pilots typically find their LAANC applications processed more quickly because they are recognized as trained professionals. Additionally, the certification opens the door for specialized operations, such as flying at night over people with a waiver for specific cases. Here are some tips for successful commercial flights. Plan ahead. Submit your LAANC application at least 72 hours before your intended flight date to avoid delays. Scout your location. Research both urban and natural areas suitable for your project needs. Monitor the weather. Desert winds and heat can often affect drone performance, so check forecasts before flying. And bring your necessary gear. Don't forget extra batteries, landing pads, ND filters for optimal footage. Regardless of whether you're flying recreationally or commercially, safety comes first. Here are some key reminders. Respect privacy by avoiding flights over private property without permission. Check for temporary flight restrictions, TFRs, especially during major events or in sensitive areas around Las Vegas. Avoid national parks and wildlife sanctuaries where drone use is typically prohibited. Ensure your drone is in good working condition before each flight. Las Vegas offers incredible opportunities for drone enthusiasts to explore the skies while capturing the beauty of its urban areas and natural landscapes. By understanding local regulations, planning ahead for LAANC approval, and obtaining Part 107 certification for commercial purposes, you can enjoy a seamless and rewarding drone flying experience. Whether you're navigating the open deserts or the controlled airspace near the Strip, your drone journey in Las Vegas is sure to be an unforgettable adventure.